My name is Lucie Poulet and I'm a NASA postdoctoral researcher at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. I first worked on Melissa during an internship 10 years ago. 5 years later, my PhD topic was linked to Melissa. Although the interactions may not be as rich as for an in-person conference, the Digital Melissa Conference is a great opportunity to learn about current research and discuss challenges and results with the presenters. You'll probably discover research projects you had never heard about, and this may lead to new collaborations. The Melissa Conference is the closed life support system conference in Europe, where the communities for air, water, waste recycling, food production and preparation, modeling, control, safety, circular systems, education, and societal impact are represented. It allows fundamental and applied research for space and Earth applications to meet for 3 full days. Interdisciplinary. The digital version gives the opportunity to anyone around the globe to participate with a minimal carbon footprint and minimal effort for dressing up. Melissa is not only a space project, it touches multiple aspects of life on Earth by promoting sustainability and circular economy, so anybody should attend. My most scary dream about Melissa would be to see 35 plus years of research come to an abrupt end because of lack of funding, for example. My most exciting dream would be to see astronauts on the moon 10 years from now rely on Melissa technologies and processes to survive on the moon. If I had a chance to go to Mars, the first thing I would do would be making sure my life support system is up and running. Then I would take a urine recycle cup of water and enjoy the view.